We're here today in the heart of Owings Mills at my brand new listing, 9313 Leigh Choice Court. This is a 3-level townhome condo. Let's take a walk. As you walk in on the main level, you see we got nice LV floors throughout, nice open family room. Off to the left, we got your half bath. As you walk in the kitchen, you'll see a magnificent backsplash, stainless steel appliances with a gas stove, and your kitchen dining area. As you come up to the second level, you'll see we got 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and your laundry room. And as you come up to the top floor, you have your own oasis here. You got your own primary suite, bedroom, full bath, nice walk-in closet.